In this guide, we're going over how you can get and use the community box here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there is some requirements. You need to go ahead and reach environment level 4 in the Withered Wasteland right here in order to get the recipe in the first place. But from here, you just got to make your way over to really any crafting bench. It doesn't necessarily matter which crafting bench you go to, but go ahead and make your way over to one, interact with it, and of course, you're able to make this with 2 lumber. Now, in order for you to use it, you're going to need to make your way over to a Pokemon's habitat, for example, and place it in here. Now, gathering Pokemon will essentially pick up items from the ground and store them in the box inside the habitat. And processing Pokemon can take items from the box and process them. For processors, it is best if you have them follow you, bring them near the box so they start working. Just keep in mind, process items may not go back into the box automatically, so you might have to collect them manually from all of the Pokemon. It really is as simple as that, though. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.